Hi kids. We will start our class with small prayer.
జ్ఞానానందమయం దేవం నిర్మలస్ఫటికాకృతం ఆధారం సర్వవిద్యానాం హయగ్రీవం ఉపాస్మహే. Say with ma'am. జ్ఞానానందమయం దేవం నిర్మలం స్ఫటికాకృతం ఆధారం సర్వవిద్యానాం హయగ్రీవం ఉపాస్మహే.
Today we are going to see story. See this slide. What are they doing? They are playing. They are playing. Can you guess who are they? They are friends. They are friends. Do you have the habit of playing with friends? Yes. Now say with ma'am. Friends are special. Say with ma'am. Friends are special. Say with ma'am. Friends are special. Next, see this slide. What are they doing? They are playing with car. They are playing with car. What he is doing? He is drawing. He is drawing. What he is doing? He is reading. He is reading. What is this? What is this? This is a car. This is a car. What is this? This is a color pencil. This is a color pencil. What is the color of the wall? What is the color of the wall? Pink color. What he is doing? Tell again. He is reading. He is reading. Can you guess what his name? His name is Roy. His name is Roy. Shall we read? Roy likes to read. Say with ma'am. Roy likes to read. Once again. Roy likes to read. Look at the picture. Where are the children? They are in swimming pool. They are in swimming pool. What are they doing? They are swimming. They are swimming. Can you swim? Would you like to learn swimming? Say with ma'am. Bala can swim. Bala can swim. Repeat again. Bala can swim. See this slide. Can you guess what picture is this? Have you ever played with a ring? Dana has a ponytail. Dana has a ponytail. In this picture, who has a ponytail? Yeah, good. Dana. Dana has a ponytail. Dana has a ponytail. Repeat again. Dana has a ponytail. Look at the picture. Can you guess what place is this? This is a garden. This is a garden. This is a garden. What are they doing? They are gardening the plant. They are gardening the plant. What plant do you see? Lady's finger plant, tomato and sunflower plant. Repeat with ma'am. Gopi loves to help others. Say with ma'am. Gopi loves to help others. Once more. Gopi loves to help others. See this slide. What animal do you see in the picture? Cat, pig. Cat, pig. Can you see the train? Where is it? It is here. It is here. Who is she? She is a grandma. She is grandma. What is the girl doing? She is drawing. She is drawing. What she is drawing? She is drawing a cat. She is drawing a cat. Can you guess what her name? Her name is Anna. Her name is Anna. Anna can draw cats. Anna can draw cats. Say with ma'am. Anna can draw cats. Can you guess what is this? This is a balloon. This is a balloon. Do you like balloon? What is the man selling? The man selling balloons. The man selling balloons. Can you see that someone is wearing glasses? Yeah, her name is Jill. Jill wears glasses. Say with ma'am. Jill wears glasses. Repeat again. Jill wears glasses. See this slide. Do the children are happy? Yes. Why do you think so? Because all are special. Because all are special. Who is she? She is a teacher. She is a teacher. We are all special. What is special about you? Say with me. We are all special. What is special about you? Repeat again. We are all special. What is special about you? Next, we move on to the Tirukural. Say with me. Tirukural. Say with me. Tirukural. அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு. Say with me. அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு. Repeat again. அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு. Next, கற்க கசடர கற்பவை கற்றபின் நிற்க அதற்கு தக. Say with me. கற்க கசடர கற்பவை கற்றபின் நிற்க அதற்கு தக. Once more. கற்க கசடர கற்பவை கற்றபின் நிற்க அதற்கு தக. Next, we move on to ஆத்திச்சூடி. அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு. அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு. Say with me. அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு. ஆறுவது சினம். Say with me. ஆறுவது சினம். இயல்வது கரவேல். இயல்வது கரவேல். ஈவது விளக்கேல். ஈவது விளக்கேல். உடையது விளம்பேல். உடையது விளம்பேல். ஊக்கமது கைவிடேல். ஊக்கமது கைவிடேல். எண்ணெழுத்து இகழேல். எண்ணெழுத்து இகழேல். ஏற்பது இகழ்ச்சி. ஏற்பது இகழ்ச்சி. Thank you, children.